What's up, people of YouTube? And I have something to share with you guys. So, you saw the last episode of Bird Family where, Bluey dies, Captain Hook comes back, but, guys, I'm gonna be posting a bonus episode where everything like comes back to normal kind of, which means I'm not gonna spoil it, but you know, Bird Family is finally over, guys. There was 2 seasons. 2 seasons of Bird Family. Okay. And post in the comments down below what season did you think was better, the first season or the second season? I personally think probably, that's a hard one, guys. Probably the first, because I didn't really watch I didn't enjoy watching, well, no, the second one was the best, I think, because, they both were amazing, but just wanted to make this quick video saying there will be one last episode of Bird Family. Bird Family, the bonus episode. So, and then the Bird Family ends. R.I.P. Bird Family. Subscribe to Knucklebutt, please. Thank you. And Merry Christmas.